of dressing is this in my house? What do you mean?
I mean, and what were you doing out there with my husband?
What do you mean by that?
What kind of dressing? What do you mean by my kind of dressing? Can't you see the sun is very hot? I am feeling very hot. I needed fresh air.
Mama, everything is wrong with this dressing. I mean, what has come over you? Are you trying to seduce my husband?
Oh, mad. What do you mean by that nonsense? I have warned you to mind how you talk to me. Is it my fault that I look younger every day? Is it my fault that I'm sweet 16? Maybe you're jealous of me because you can never be like me. Because you're as black as charcoal. Maybe you're jealous of your mother now. What is that?
Mama, you slapped me.
And I'll slap you over and over again because you're senseless. If I had known this was how you're going to treat me in your own house, I would have come with you. Want to frustrate me? I wouldn't live my life. You want Nelly?
And if I know this is what you're going to be doing here, I will not invite you to my house.
Mama,
But you slapped me because I told you I don't like what you're wearing in my husband's house. What is going on?
Is this not the same book you've been hiding from me? How come you didn't tell me about it?
Because I want you to continue seeing me as a bad cook.
I'm sorry. Okay? I apologize for everything.
It's fine. I'm sorry too. I know you condoned my excesses for too long.
It's okay.
Sorry.
I'm just going to...
Hold on. My sister. Hello? Are you serious?
Really?
What?
I'll be there. Will you come?
Mama, how could you? How could you, Mama? Are you not ashamed of yourself? Look at what you're wearing in your own daughter's house. They're going to see you, Mama. What am I wearing? They're going to hear you.
What do you mean by what I'm wearing? Oh, you don't know what I'm an adult. I'm equal to the task. If I want to be naked, I'll be. If I want to wear something, anything I want to do, I will do. What is that? I told you she insulted me and she has no right to insult me. Listen, you have no right whatsoever to insult me, your mother. You cannot insult me.
Mama, I want to know, how did Ola insult you? How?
Don't you dare talk back at me. I'm an Arabobo. I told you she's monitoring how I dress, how I wear, where I go, what I do in her house. Is it because I'm in her house? Don't I have a house too?
Mama,
nonsense.
Mama, I've had enough. Just go in there, pack your things and leave my house.
Sweet mentor, oh, in case oh, ayakata, baby, oh. Me, go anywhere. I am not going anywhere. It is you that want. If you want to leave your house, leave your house. That's not my business. In fact, it's better that you even leave the house. So that's it is so if you want to leave, leave.
You dare not, or I will force you to leave my house.
I will force you to leave my house.
Yeah.
I will force you.
Look at somebody's mother.
Hey! Whose mother? Me, your mother, God forbid. At your age, you're still calling mother. When your mates are having 1 million children, here and there, my daughter, my Indian son, that one mother. Okay, but go punish that one mother. Sweet 16, they come no. Sweet 16, they come make that mother. Chubukwega, mother, onya. Onya, mother. Sweet 16, Ayakata, bongo. Look at you. Look at how stupid you are, like frustrated bunch of fools. You should go back to your husband's house. Get natural na bedigi. Now I ran away to this place again. You followed me to come and bewitch me. Don't allow her to control you. Oh, love your mother. Go for Eba. Eba can see the moon, and Eba can minister control. Not control this moon and aso. That is my job to see no wa.
I'm ashamed on your behalf. See, don't cry. Stand up first.
I'll tell Mama to leave my house. Just tell Mama to leave my house.
Hey! Ola, where is your husband?
I don't know. Ola, do you know what? Mama, do you know Mama slapped me? Just because I told her that what she's wearing is not good for me in my husband's house.
Are you serious?
Mama slapped me.
What? Same thing she did to me. Umeya and we continue to the same thing she did in my house. That's what she's repeating here. Something needs to be done, no? Something needs to be done as soon as possible. Mama will not come to my house. No, she's not coming to your house. She can't come to my house. I love my peace. I don't know if actually somebody's mother.
Okay. My mother-in-law has started her problems in my house.
What really happened?
She was indecently dressed, almost naked. And when my wife confronted her, she slapped my wife.
Your mother-in-law slapped your wife?
I am telling you the truth.
But I think your wife must have talked to her in a good way. And that must have provoked her.
How do you mean?
Well, I think your wife must have provoked her.
Okay, no matter what happened, my mother-in-law has no right whatsoever to slap my wife in my house.
No, Charlie, don't say that. She is your wife's mother, and she still has the right to discipline her. Charlie, you're my friend, and I will always tell you the truth.
What is the truth?
Your wife is at fault. She should go and apologize to her mother.
Ken, why are you always on the side of my mother-in-law? Everything she does is right before you. Why? You don't see anything wrong with her at all.
What exactly are you trying to say? What are you insinuating by that?
Ken, I am sorry. Whenever I discuss this, just erase it from your mind, okay? But before I leave, I need to tell you something. How will you feel when your mother-in-law visits you and slaps your wife right before you? How will you feel? I'm leaving your house.
But what do you expect when you have such a woman as your mother-in-law? Don't come back here and disturb me because I have my own problems. My mother-in-law slapped my wife. We all have our problems.
What? They wanted to push me out of the house. Push me, Udoka. Udoka, you have suffered. Me, sweet 16. Sweet 16 at 50, at 60, at 70, 80 and above. None of them can be like me. Tell them. Tell me the one that can look like me. Instead of them to take after me, look beautiful. They went and took after their father. Lucia son, you don't want to see you. This you know now. Bruce son, you're looking very ugly. Ever young. Hey! Oh, I'll go.
Mama, don't call me.
Are you also angry at me?
Mama, I need peace
No,
of
no, no.
mind.
Don't tell me you're walking out on me. Why?
Mama, you slapped my wife.
Oh.
And as if that wasn't enough, you wanted to even go beyond that to...
To what? Tell me to what? She's your wife. She's my daughter. Before ever she became your wife, she was my daughter. So I have every right whatsoever to treat her anyhow I want.
Mama.
Because I raised her. I gave birth to her and I raised her.
Mama, this is my house.
Really?
Your daughter is my wife. Therefore, I deserve some kind of respect from you.
That you're married to my daughter and this is your house does not make you superior over me. You know I have this house. My main friend can give it to me 1,000,000 times. Is this one called a house? Have you forgotten who I am? You should be happy that you have an in-law like me. Why am I fan? Why am I titi? Hey! Yeah, baby. As if you're up to the men I have dealt with and still dealing with. Sweet 16. Kijapamu. Let me ask you. Your late mother till she died, was she anyhow as beautiful, 1 inch as beautiful as I am? If you doubt me, go and bring her picture. Let's do the comparison. Why you come to our city? You stare at her. I get the one in my village in any form. Let alone me for also. Me fan allo. Ice cream. Okay. ShopRite. Why you gotta walk at 10? Sweet 16. 60, Mano for Romo, Ayakata, Okay, why you want
Mama sweet 16,
slap my wife? Look at my slap me
she
too.
go de pium. Oi, Mama sweet 16, no. Now so she go de pium. Mama nye because you want nigga. Now so you go de pium. Jay, now which kind woman no I mean this year. Everything a double wala.
Oji aware.
Ike wo.
Okaraka.
Nah, this is abomination. Abomination. A woman that is still mourning her husband. Why is she misbehaving anywhere she goes? Huh?
Oji
It's too much.
eziokwu. Maka na okenye anọkọ na anọ ewu amụọ n'ọbụla.
Hey.
Agba nkịtị. Well, what can we do about the report her daughters brought before us? Maka na nwaanyị na-ekwu ya nwa nyewe ekene na chikafe nke aka o.
Well, I think the best thing we will do is to ask her to come to the village.
In that case, you have to send a word to her immediately. Yes.
Well, it makes no impact sending message to her. Well, I think the best thing for us to do is to go and visit her in the city by ourselves. And atu egu. Nwanya eso mweje dute nwanya mba ntalia. Kifa na kode her.
I think DK is right. We will go to the city and talk to her. Huh?
Anyway, I agreed.
Yeah. If that being the case, let us pick a date. But as for me, tomorrow will be okay. Tomorrow will be okay.
What about it?
Let's make it tomorrow now.
Let's make it tomorrow.
Yeah.
Tomorrow morning.
Yeah.
Why you want me?
I still do not understand why Ibuka allows this to be happening in his family.
You are saying you still do not understand?
Yes.
What do you expect Ibuka to do?
No. It's Ibuka, not the father of the family.
Well, even though he's the father of the family, but let me ask you, do you think Ibuka can stop Udoka from her promiscuous activities?
In that case, I think he should invite Umuna for the woman to be cautioned.
Umuna?
Yes.
You said Umuna?
Yeah, Umuna, you know. Yes.
Ibe, you made mention of our own Umuna. Okay, let me ask you one question. Do you know how many Umuna that have slept with that woman?
Slept? It's not slept.
Jebe, don't pretend as if this is the first time you are hearing this.
Hey! We're in trouble.
Which trouble?
We are in trouble.
Which trouble? I ate you, Mama Funanya. But Jebe, don't say I told you.
Excuse me. I said last time I was in. I gossip.
Hey!
I never.
When calling
I know.
Guys, let's go. We're late for the party. Come out. Hurry up, guys. We're late.
Okay. When I came ready, we're just waiting for Ola and her husband. But I'm here already.
Did you tell my mother I was going out?
I did not. She's sleeping. Let's go then.
Right,
let's go.
Let's go. All right. Funny
Don't leave me, oh. Let's go. I'm ready. Go where? To the party, of course.
Is it not the Liz and Grand's party? And I'm glamorous. Don't I be glamorous?
Mama, please. This party is not for you. Please, can you just go inside and stay? I wasn't talking to you.
Mama, please, stop this now.
Mama, stop this. We do not have shut up. See, if I don't go to that party, nobody will hear.
Mama, what is this? What kind of embarrassment is this now? Mama, please go inside.
Mama, see, we won't take this rubbish from you.
Enough of just shut up.
Mama, don't just slap me, oh.
Will you shut up? This is not your house. This is not your house. The party is for everyone. You are wearing your sexy gown. I am wearing my sexy skirt. We are all looking sexy and I'm looking glamorous.
Yes.
Mama, so we can have a private moment with our husbands. You can see the Ginuba there.
We are all wives together. Ha! Did I lie?
I don't understand.
Did I lie?
Why is she asking you?
Did I lie? Ha! We are wives together. What is that one?
Mama, remember this is my house, right?
And I'm an in-law in this house.
Mama, please. And I say what I want to say. Please, can you go inside? This party is not for you.
Am I embarrassing people? Am I not properly dressed? You're wearing short gown. You're wearing short gown. I'm wearing skirt and blouse. I'm even better dressed than all of you. Let's go. Let's go. So, guys, what? What kind of dream is this? What kind of dream is this? This my mother is something else.
Mama sweet 16, so she go de pium. Oi, Mama sweet 16, so she go de pium. Mama,
but sis, this your skin is glowing. Or what cream are you using?
Same cream now, but it's just that it's remaining small. Oh, I love this film.
I think I should start using it too. You're really glowing. Exactly, and the girl is so beautiful.
So did Emma tell you how we visited village?
Yeah, she told me you people went to meet our kinsmen.
Yes, and they assured us that they are going to take the situation under control. Yeah. So.
Okay.
So I hope so.
That's nice.
Yeah. I'm mad.
I think it's fine.
Is it true?
You girls went to the village. And that your uncle and 2 village elders are coming to see us. Is that true? I am talking to the 2 of you.
Yes, Mama. It is true.
Really? Why waste their time? Why waste their money? Their mega money they do not even have to come to the city. Ride in Nebuchadnezzar's car to come here. That's rubbish. That's a waste of time. Allow them to remain in the village where they are. They are farmers.
But Mama, I want to...
I don't want you to say anything. Just tell them they shouldn't come.
Mama.
Deliver my message to them.
Mama, you cannot stop my uncle from coming to my house. You can't stop them, okay?
Really? I am not stopping your uncle from coming to your house. But I'm only informing you that that mission for which they are coming here is going to be a worthless one. It will be all in vain. So it will be a waste of resources. So it is better they save their resources, keep their legs in the village where they are. They shouldn't come here. Don't think I am bluffing.
Okay.
I am telling you the truth.
Okay.
Excuse me.
Oh, they are going to come here. They are going to come. You can't stop them.
Mama, no problem. No problem, Mama. Do not bother yourself. Whether Mama likes it or not, Uncle will come here. All her threats are all in vain. She's just threatening in vain. Do you understand? Don't bother. Don't stress it. How Biacha go teenager?
Geraldine, I'm tired. Mama is leaving my house. I mean, the same uncle she said he cannot come here is still the reason she's here.
Exactly.
So what is the problem?
Don't worry. You see that our uncle, Obiacha go teenager, he will come here whether she likes it or not. Don't bother. Do not bother yourself anymore.
I will not forgive Mama. I will not forgive Mama. She's unrepentant.
You think you will know peace in your life after what you made me go through? Yeah. Never.
Yeah? Are you talking to me?
Of course I am talking to you, Agadi Ekwenka.
Are you stupid or something? What did you just call me? What did you call me?
Agadi Ekwenka, that is what you idiot.
Napwala. Are you stupid? Do you know who I am? How beautiful is your mother and her generation? That faded away, and that's beautiful as I am. If you don't know what my name is Sweet 16. That is my name.
You can slap me 1,000,000 times, but let me promise you one thing. Your generation will abandon you. Your children will abandon you the time you need them most.
Back to sender!
Agadi Ekwenka indeed.
And who are you?
Who do you think you are? You know what you make me get? You ruined the relationship I built over 5 years with my life. And you want me to be happy with you? Never.
You're a fool. If at this your age, I could make you lose a relationship, that means you failed. A young girl with you, yet you lost a relationship. You are a complete failure.
You are a ghost.
Yeah.
Sweet 16 within Agadi Ekwenka. Look at her. Is it because you failed?
Who is this? And what relationship was she talking about? Silly. If I could make you lose a man, That means you might be one, you might be one hour. Back on, back on.
Mama sweet 16.
Relationship you built over the years.
Mama sweet 16. Now so she go de pium pium pium. Mama nye because you wanike. Now so you go de pium pium.
Is she not back yet?
She's not come back.
Why?
I don't know.
What could be the problem?
I don't know. I wonder why a mother like her should be outside by this time.
Like this time.
Honey, this is out of it. What is this? Amujo must come. Must go back. Only Joe. Yeah, no. Guy, I feel like throwing up. It's not the height of it. The height of what? What is your problem? So because I'm in your house, I shouldn't flex my life. Eh? Mind yourself. Mind yourself. What is wrong with you? What is wrong with me? How? Honey, you're not talking. You're not saying anything. Shit! What do you want him to say? Okay, no way I can say no. Your husband is good to me. Charles, can you say something? Can you just say... Don't mind your wife. Or the Joanna say hi. She's high. Don't mind her. At least say something. Okay, ready. Honey, you're not saying anything.
What do you want me to say? Please. I don't need any trouble from your mother.
At least caution her. You're the man of this house. Or do you like what she's doing?
I never wanted her to come and live with us, but you insisted.
Really?
I don't want her trouble.
Mama? Mama?
Mama sweet 16. So she go de pium pium pium. Mama sweet 16.
Chiebe, what is going on? How can Ebuka ask us to wait for him here since almost 30 minutes ago?
Dike, I don't know what is happening now.
But are you sure he has not cancelled this movement?
He cannot do such thing without informing us. It's not possible. Yes.
Well, let me believe it is not possible. But what are we going to do? Shall we continue like this? We need to find out what is going on.
Were you not here when I called him over 10 times? Why not?
Though I was here with you, but call him again now. Call him. Okay. I'm getting tired, though. Is it ringing?
It's ringing. It's not picking.
Okay, continue calling him.
What may I die here? Huh?
I don't say you should die here, but keep up calling him, or don't you like our movement again?
You can tell
And I'm being used to Mumike. You can't give us you. For how long have you been waiting for Ebuka?
Hi.
Chiebe. Chiebe. How many times have I called you?
Because excuse me.
Let me. They're looking for problem. Let me. Don't know what your problem is. Ask them, what have you done?
What is your problem? I'm asking you. What is your problem? DK and the eBay somewhere they're waiting for me.
Let them keep on waiting for you. You will not go to the city because of Udoka and her children. Never.
Mama Daisy, you've been holding me hostage inside there for more than 20 minutes now. I've asked you, what is your problem?
My problem is that you will go nowhere. You only waited for 20 minutes and you are complaining.
Have you seen what you've cost?
Yes. We are. What?
Ebuka, what is going on? We have been waiting for you at the place you asked us to wait. What is the problem?
Yes, we. No.
Needless of that. Ebuka, please let us go. Time is no longer on our side.
Yes.
My father is going nowhere with you.
Osgene.
Only till the battery.
We will go. Like I said before.
What is happening here is that my husband prefers to settle problems outside instead of in his own house. Just look at my daughter. She has been staying in this house for a long time now. My husband bluntly refused to go and see the husband in order to settle the problem with him. But if it is for outsiders, he will go. One time,
Neka, points of correction. Udoka's family are not outsiders. Mind you.
9. Anything that did not happen in this house happened outside. So they are outsiders. Inugo? My husband is not going anywhere.
Mama Daisy, I promise you, we'll look into this matter when we come back. So, we do not know anything about it.
I don't know how I will sort it out.
No, my father will never say it. It's not my father. He will never say it. But will never cease to talk about other people's problem.
Whoa.
But your father call you a toy. We'll never say it. Okay? Your father call you a toy.
You see?
Just relax, don't worry. You promised to look into the matter when you people come back.
Exactly.
There is no problem. What happens now is that 2 of you will go to the city alone without my husband. When you come back and look into the problem we have in this our family, he can then go with you next time.
Let me ask you. Are you the owner of this house or Woka?
That is the problem. That's where the problem lies.
We are the owners of this house.
No, it's all right. We will sort it when we will come back.
Exactly.
Ebuka, let me feel something. No, wake up from your sleep.
Trust me.
What is going on? Are they not coming again?
I don't know, but when I spoke with the uncle, he said they are coming before 12 o'clock.
So why is he not taking his calls?
That I can't say.
What is going on here? Don't tell me people are still waiting for your uncle and his people. They are not coming. And don't say I did not tell you.
Mama, are you not ashamed of yourself? Why are you so black-hearted? Why are you treating your daughters with so much disdain? Why are you heartless, Mama?
Don't you dare raise your voice at me. Why are you sounding like a broken bottle, like a dog in the manger? Is this your house?
Really?
You're so sounding so desperate. What is it? Am I in your house?
I should be the one asking you. Mama, Mama, is this place your house?
Is it your house?
Mama, are you not ashamed of yourself? Look at how you're making your daughter's lives miserable.
Am I in your house now? You're so controlling.
Mama, is this place your house? I'm asking you. You're the one who is acting without manners. You're the one who is acting without conscience. Is this your house? Mama, let me tell you the truth. We're definitely going to put an end to this your madness.
Oh, shut up. This is my house. This is my daughter's house, my in-laws' house. By proxy, it is my house. So go fall into the gutters. Excuse me, and you.
Mama, please don't push her. Mama, don't hurt her. Mama, do not hurt her. Look at the way you're dragging her in her own husband's house.
You can wait forever for your uncle that will never come. Guess he's afraid of me. Excuse me.
Hey.
Ma. This woman is leaving my house. I can't take it anymore. I support you. I can't. Who did you call this woman? Me. Sweet 16. This woman. I can bet you and assure you that you are more women than I am. Look at me. Everything is intact, strong and firm, making the men sweet and jolly. Shameless girls. Look at it.
I'm ashamed on your behalf, Mama. Mama, you will definitely leave her house, oh. You will leave Ola's house. You cannot go to this place and make it a living hell for her.
I'm suffering, no.
Don't worry, Mama will leave your house.
Wait, suffering, no. What is what I'm saying?
What just happened here? Mama is becoming something else.
She's mad. Ha!
I'm suffering, no.
Guys, I'm confused. Totally confused. I don't know what that woman's case is.
Is my wife's uncle back from the village?
Not yet. That's at the time I left. My wife is still insisting that her mother must go. But the woman refused to go.
I think the best thing to do is to wait for their uncle to come.
From her body language and her utterances, bro, I'm not sure she's ready to listen to their uncle.
Charlie, can you tell me what this woman has done?
What is the meaning of that question,
Exactly
Ken?
what I asked you.
Ken.
Honestly, I don't understand him.
Guys, isn't it obvious? The daughters are angry with her simply because she's sophisticated.
If you have nothing to say, will you keep your mouth shut?
And why are you shouting? Who are you shouting at?
What do you mean that you cannot support
guys.
it? What does it even matter here?
Everything! Isn't it obvious? Why are you guys ganging up against this innocent
Guys, Ken, what has come over you? Have you lost your mind?
You know what, guys? I can't even believe you guys anymore.
Wait. Ken.
Let him go.
Ken.
Did I say anything bad?
Well, not that I can remember.
Ndị ma ịma na-asị na ebe onye ji zụọ ọbụla afịa dị n'eke maka ọ na-abụ azụ ike azụ oyi zụkwa afọ. Mma, where is your mother?
I don't think she's at home because she's not in her room. But she was inside not quite long. No. I think she went out.
Okay, call her phone. There's no time to talk for.
Ah. Udoka.
Yes?
How are you?
I am fine.
We're just asking of you now.
Our wife. Oh, welcome.
Dalo.
Please come close. We are here to see all of you.
I should draw closer. You are here to see all of us. How? I mean, I don't understand.
Ma, didn't you inform her of our visit?
She informed me. And I categorically told her that you all shouldn't bother coming. Ma, didn't you give him my message?
Huh?
Yes.
You mean we should not bother to come?
Exactly what I said. I said you people shouldn't bother coming. Huh? I had issues with my daughters, not with anyone. So I do not want external interference from outsiders.
Duga, shut up. May Amoda has said this is smelling mad. You are using in calling us outsider. Yeah? And I smell cuckoo in Sinoko. Or when calling you an athlete. Are you calling us outsider?
Are you a member of my family? Who are you, Papa or Mama? Look at this one. No? That year you were asking me out. And I refused because you wanted to die here. Old man, don't cigarette.
Mama, shut up. Mama, what is all this? Are you not ashamed of yourself? For crying out loud, these are uncles. You ought to give them maximum respect. And not talk to them like some trash.
Don't you father again. Just shut up and sit down.
Mama, with all due respect, just apologize to them for such comments.
That to show how stupid and foolish both of you can be. Ebuka, if you are... Ebuka! I am talking to you. If you don't know what to do, take this worthless man. These red captures that they don't know nothing but farming. That is what they are used to doing in the village. Onka yoramunju. We're trying to pay attention. I told the people there, don't come in. Udoka, you have suffered. Press up. Red cap chiefs indeed. That is why people came all the way from the village, entered his car, let me enjoy AC. You refuse to be in the Igwe's palace. Ifa. You're so shameless. You all are so shameless. You didn't tell him. Every day you come and disturb me when I'm sleeping. Try to knock. Don't come and give me. Listen, I don't want men like you. I want them young. So they can give me fresh blood. Sweet 16 ever. You want to grow old like you people? See how shrunk people are looking. And I said, Mudaka, shut up. Do you know what she shut up? If you had climbed on top of me that day, you would have shut up to death. Rubbish people. Imesia, take them where they belong. They belong to the dungeon, the village where they are used to farming. That's what people are used to, not eat. Yeah, young boys in it. Sweet 16. Why in there, baby?
I'm ashamed of you. Oh, I'm ashamed of you. Look at what you're saying with your mouth.
What did I do, Daddy? What did I do? Nan menife. Nan do do what? Eh? Nan fa. Unibadi ipe enjoyment men had it so book and your court. Una molu na village. Onu molu na mambe ipe ntu. Adorado. Rubbish and stupid people. Ne? I don't care. Lenny Kema, I'm shake. You should be ashamed of yourself. You should be protecting your brother's property.
But so young, she know the grace that she be mama at all. She know the shiva, her eye the glitter. Anyway, she there you go see wahala for there. Oi, mama sweet 16. So she go the yum. Oi, mama sweet 16. So she go the yum. Mama ni because you want it. So you go the yum.
Mama, this is your fault. It's all your fault. You shouldn't have allowed Papa to go. After all, Ndoka and her children does not care about us.
Butu, Butu, relax. I know why I allowed him to go. If he comes back, he must go and see your husband. It's a promise from me.
Mama, I don't like what Papa is doing. No. I will not be happy with him if he do not go and see my husband.
Mama, he dare not try it. Never. If he tries it, he has me to contend with. You know what your mother can do.
You now. I know my mother.
Oh. It's okay, eh? Let me quickly rush and see Mama Nkechi. Okay. I'll be back soon.
Get something for me when you are coming back.
I'll get something for you.
Okay.
I will buy you kuli.
So, bye. Udoka and her children are using my father. But I will have to put a stop to it.
Now that Mama has proven that she's beyond anyone's control, what's the way forward?
The way forward is that Mama is leaving my house today. I mean, there's no compromise about it.
I agree. Mama needs to go. She has really insulted us enough. And it's high time we called it off. She has to go.
As in, I've had enough of Mama.
So, in one voice, we're all saying Mama is going back to the village.
Exactly.
Agreed?
Agreed.
Agreed. Let's
Of course. Oh, hi, ladies. I didn't know you guys were here. When did you arrive? I'm surprised.
Let's go, girls.
Yeah, let's go.
Where are you going?
Where are they going?
I don't know.
It's like my wife is very angry with me. Was she expecting me to join the meeting with her people?
I think we need to find out.
You have a one there?
Yeah.
She is old, but so young. She know the grace that she be Mama at all now. She know the shiva, her eye the glitter. Anyway she there, you go see wahala for there. Mama sweet 16, so she go the yum. Mama sweet 16, so she go the yum. Mama ni because you want it, so you go the yum. Jay, a question woman no I'm in this year. Every day na double wahala. Women know ya watch your husband there. Sweet 16 and I got the one on board. Girlfriend know ya, oh your boyfriend there. Sweet 16 and they pass it for road. Yeah, oh ya go. No one in a can low. Hey, oh ya go. No one in a can low. So she go the yum.
What's the meaning of this?
Mama, what is going on here? What is this embarrassment all about?
What did I do? What is the meaning of what? Is it because I'm in your house I cannot enjoy myself again? I'm inside the house, so dancing. I didn't go out. I didn't go look for anybody.
Mama, do you know this is my house? And I have had enough. It's time.
Wait. Is it calling my house? What is that? Am I a visitor?
Mama, I am sick and tired of your character. What is this? Mama, you're not ashamed of yourself. Look at what you're doing. A mother like you.
What's funny, Mama? What's funny?
Is it your house?
I don't care. Go and pack your things. You're leaving this house now.
Really? I don't know how you people would expect me to live this good life. This is walk and go back to the village. I was in the village doing my own thing. You people said, come to the town. And I'm in the city again. You're forcing me to go back to the... Am I a baby?
Because you're not living the right life, Mama. You have to go back.
Are you living the right one?
Mama, we've had enough of this nonsense. This embarrassment is too much, Mama. We didn't do anything bad by bringing you to the city to take care of you as a mother. But all you have done is to bring shame and disgrace to us. If you know what's good for you, go in there, pack your things and leave as Ola said. Else you will leave us with no option than to throw you out like a common thief.
Ma, I am not going anywhere until I want to leave.
Agebu, Mama.
Wait, bring it on.
Mama, go and pack your things.
Wait,
Mama, go and pack
sis, wait.
Don't touch me.
Mama, go and pack your things.
Do you know what?
Don't touch me, Don't touch me.
Mama, go and pack your things.
Sis, what? Don't worry.
Mama, I think we are ready for you.
What is this?
You're going back to the village. Mama, please. You must go back to the village, Mama. Get it home.
I don't want us to start. Please, just give me my phone.
Give me my lunch. You when you denied me breakfast, I didn't say anything. And now you don't want me to have my lunch?
Honey, is it true?
What kind of stupid question is that?
Ogum, I'm respecting you. Tell her to give me food. When she denied me breakfast, I didn't say anything. But denying me lunch, I won't take it. Alama, I will not take it. I was going to want me.
Honey, give her lunch.
I will do no such thing.
Honey, please.
Don't. Say what you want to say.
Honey, she needs to eat. Give her food to eat.
Tell Mama to give me my phone. There's something I'm doing with that phone. Tell her.
Honey, why are you being unnecessarily stubborn here? Why? I'm talking to you and you're ignoring me, honey. Am I not talking to you?
Give me food. Give me food. Give me food. Come on, you get what I can't see. What he be money? He should slap you so that you give me food. Suppose you don't have respect for your husband. Honey.